Fuck do you want, Tyrone? I'm trying to sleep. What time is that? 3 a.m., man. What are you doing, Tyrone? You need food or something? Come on. Fuck! Where are you taking me? What are we looking for? You need food? What do you want? Huh? What's that sound? It's coming from the microwave. What the fuck? What the fuck? Charlie? What are you doing in there? Ugh. You smell like dirty old popcorn and fucking Kraft dinner. That microwave is fucking dirty. Gotta clean that out today. Alright, everybody. See, what happened here is a classic example of not cleaning your fucking microwave enough, and now we've got this crusty old stinky leftover dinner demon, and we gotta get rid of it the only way I know how. So you're gonna take about a cup of water, yeah, and then you're gonna put about another cup of white vinegar, because vinegar has natural healing and cleaning properties. Now, this is the most important part. Don't forget, you need to bless your vinegar water. Make it holy vinegar water. Father, Son, Holy Spirit, abracadabra. Okay. You also need to be an ordained minister to be able to do that, which is pretty easy. You just go online to a site, Google, and then they'll email you a certificate for $6.99. Now we go on to the next step, exorcising the microwave demon. You're gonna take that water shit, vinegar, holy water, and you're gonna put it right into your fucking microwave. Hopefully it doesn't fight back too much, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna put that in for about 1 minute. No, actually I didn't say that, so I'm just gonna clear that. I'm gonna do 1 minute. Thank you. You're also gonna wanna duct tape this shit shut. Just shut. Fuck, I'm out of duct tape. That's okay. Any kind of tape will do. Nothing can get out of your microwave. Start it. Jesus. Well, that should be clean now. Or at least have loosened up the junk with the just inside. Let's take a look. Fuck. Now we're just gonna do some wipe it out with some paper towels. See, Tyrone and Charlie can finally sleep in peace. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. If you liked my videos, please subscribe. If you didn't like my videos, please subscribe and hit the favorite button. Thanks. Golly.